it's Miss Rebecca. Today I'm going to read you a story called Ocean Life by Brenda Z. Guiberson. Let's get started. Amazing creatures live in the ocean. Some are fish, others are not. You see the fish and the coral? Coral is living just like fish are living. Sharks are fish. Like all fish, they breathe through gills. Our shark. Let's learn what gills are. Gills allow fish to breathe oxygen underwater. They allow them to breathe air, like we take our deep breath. The gills on the side of the shark's neck allow them to breathe, just like we breathe. Sharks do not have bones. Their skeletons are made of cartilage. Look at this shark. So sharks don't have bones like you and me. They have cartilage. We have cartilage on our ears. The top of our ears up here is made of cartilage. Cartilage is flexible material, and it's found in our ears, right here, and our nose, right here. It helps move. So sharks are able to move easy. The whale shark is the largest fish. It can reach up to 50 feet in length. Look how big the whale shark is. They're really big. The smallest shark, the dwarf dog shark, is no longer than a pencil. Wow, that's so tiny. Pencil's like that big. That's a tiny shark. Whales are mammals. They swim to the surface to get air they need. A mammal is a warm-blooded animal that has hair or fur and gives birth to babies. Look at that whale. It's a cool whale. A whale breathes air from the blowhole on top of its head. Do you see the blowhole right there? So the whale comes up to the top of the water, takes in a deep breath from its blowhole, and goes back underwater to swim around. Blue whales are the biggest animals on Earth. Whoa. However, they eat only the smallest ocean animals, shrimp-like creatures called krill. This is a whale, and these are krill. They're very tiny. You see them? The blue whale has no teeth. They don't have teeth. Instead, baleen dangles from its upper jaw like bristles on a broom. That sounds cool. Krill get trapped in the baleen, and the blue whale licks them off. So it would be like if we had, instead of teeth, we had a broom bristle in our mouth, and we open our mouth, and the krill go in, and then we lick them off, and we eat them. Nom nom nom. That's kind of cool. This is a blue whale. Its mouth is closed right now. Whales have a thick layer of blubber under their skin. Some sharks like to eat it. Blubber is a layer of fat that keeps them warm in the cold ocean, and it also helps store food. Oh well. So under their skin, they have extra layers that keep them warm because it's very cold in the ocean. Some whales have teeth, like the sperm whale. This whale eats squid. Look, they have teeth. Squid have 8 arms, 2 long tentacles, and a sharp beak. Look at that squid. Dolphins are mammals like whales, but much smaller. The ocean is home to more than 30 different kinds of dolphins. What? That's a lot of dolphins. These are bottlenose dolphins. These are the ones you always think of when you think of a dolphin. The Commerson's dolphin is one of the smallest. It only grows to be 5.5 feet long. The orca is the largest dolphin. It can reach 30 feet in length. I thought it was a whale, but apparently it's a dolphin. That's new news. I learned something from this book. Dolphins use sound to find food. This is called echolocation. Echolocation is the use of sound to find objects. So if I was a dolphin, I would probably make sounds like clicks, like, and when you're going through the ocean, you're able to hear if there's something in front of you. It would be as if I didn't have eyes and I'm going, and I'm walking and able to find things in front of me that I couldn't see. Look at the dolphin. Dolphins live and hunt in groups called pods. They eat shrimp, squid, and fish. Big or little, fish or not, many creatures call the ocean home. It is so deep and big that it may contain the greatest number of living things on the planet. The end. I hope you enjoyed the story, friends, and learning about ocean life. I learned some things I didn't know. I hope you enjoyed the book, friends. Bye. See you next time.